A present now.
A present now? You got a bike.
My bike. Mine.
That's for you to share with your brother. That's what Santa said.
Yeah.
It's for Matt and Rye to share.
Fall down.
Oh, it fell down.
A
Did Santa eat his cookies?
Yeah.
Oh,
Where's
let's see.
the plate?
A bone, Mama. A bone.
He ate it all.
Yeah.
What about...
Drink his milk? Did the reindeer eat their carrots?
Yeah. Yeah. A couple.
Oh yes, you got a color book last night. Hey,
Look at all this.
Santa looks like he left something else.
Oh, tunnel.
What is that?
A tunnel.
It's not a tunnel. It's like a little house.
A house. In a house.
You want to go in it? You want to try your new house out?
Yeah.
Wow. Hi.
Hi, Ryan. Merry Christmas, Ryan.
You guys must have been pretty good.
Yeah.
The Santa brought you bikes and an up-down
Yeah, put it.
and presents and a